First has to be flat. Yeah. It's gonna be good, I think. Do we have a fresh one? A better one? Oh yeah. This is a nice one. I'm gonna use this one. The other one's for dirtier jobs. You can put in this thing over here, like this. Or you can just use it like this. I think it's easier like this because, yeah, there's not a lot of room on some places. Scrape it off. Then we're gonna clean it with some brake cleaner, of course. With a, yeah, there's something else. It's good. All the bolts are here. Nice. And now, let's see. So, what do we have here? We have a nice surface. I see some little things. Some gaskets is on there. It seems like most of the gaskets, let's check it out, is on the oil pan. Yep, it is. Look, right over here. You can see it. This is the gasket. The silicon gasket. It's on the oil pan for yeah, the most part. So we are pretty lucky today. We're gonna clean it off with a little bit of scotch, light scotch, because you can see we can scrape. There's nothing to scrape. It's almost everywhere there's no gaskets. This is pretty clean already. Nice. Ah, just like over here. Ah, comes off like nothing. All right, let's do that. So, yeah, I'll keep it over here just in case I missed something. But for now, I'm gonna take a little scotch. I'll use this for water gaskets, which will be good. So you have different kinds. You have the more abrasive one, the green ones, and this is for gaskets like on your timing belt, timing chain cover or something. Oil pans. This is the scratch is less than this one. If you have nothing else, use the other one, but I would advise this one. 3M makes it. Other brands probably too. So let's clean it up. Give it a rub. Oh, and look. Like over here, we will have to scrape it because it's not coming off. It has to be flush. Over here it's coming off. It's not too much. You could also use some WD-40. On some occasions, that's a good trick. It makes everything come loose. And afterwards, you have to really degrease it because else the gasket will stick. But the most important thing is the inside. The seals. The one around the bolts, okay, yeah. You can clean it off for the most, but The sealing side should be flush, flat, perfect. There's no point in doing it twice, so I'll clean it up from time to time just to see where it should be. Yep, it's looking nice already. Some marks here and there. So yeah, I'm gonna be here for like 5 minutes, so you can fast forwards. Unless you wanna hear my stupid remarks. Sometimes good tips. Yep. It's a great day today. And then we're gonna put some new oil in, of course, a new filter. Goes without saying. This one takes 5W30. Of course, with the good additives for a diesel engine, like this. But yeah, you get it. So I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna clean everything and get you back when it's good to go.